Hi, welcome to Catrix. Today we will make this example on Solidworks by using both extrude feature. It's a very easy example, not hard. We'll make from this sketch this 3D model and we will add appearance to it to change its color from Solidworks color to blue color. So let's start. As usual, we are watching sketch. We are looking for 2D sketch to get dimensions from it and go to Solidworks to start. I'm going to make a sketch, select a plane. I will choose top plane. I will choose a rectangle. Here is for 40 by 40 and it's 20, so I will draw line not from origin, from half of the left vertical line from here to here, and I will add dimension. It's 40 by 40. It will be 20, just to make sure. Yes, it's 20. And I will make a boost extrude by 10 millimeters. Sure, it's 10 millimeters and select OK. Then I will make sketch on this surface. I will make a square. It's 20 millimeters by 20 millimeters. As drawing, and I will make a boost extrude by 20 millimeters also. Here we go. Now I will go to appearance and select color. I will choose plastic high gloss. Here we are. Now it's the same shape as 3D sketch. Solidworks is the most effective program. It's the same shape. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and like the video if you like it. Bye.